Welcome back to Smoke and Grill with Will. Tonight we're making smoked shrimp and angel hair pasta with Alfredo sauce. Here we have 1 pound of shrimp. We'll lay those out flat on a baking sheet. Once those are laid out, you'll spray the shrimp with any kind of oil you want. Here I'm using Pam air fryer spray, and we're going to season it with Buttery Steakhouse seasoning by Kinder. Flip your shrimp over and repeat the process. Smoke your shrimp at 250 degrees for 13 minutes. Boil your angel hair pasta for 8 to 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to your pan and your shrimp. Cook on medium-high for 3 minutes. In a separate pan, melt 1 stick of butter. Add 2 cups of heavy cream. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add 2 cups of grated parmesan cheese. Whisk until your cheese is melted. Add your Alfredo to your pasta and mix together. Plate your noodles, then your shrimp. Here's the final product. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, check out the other videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe.